Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, I am going to explain how construction companies and builders use Jainam Software to sell their flats and sell their flats using their own finance scheme. Now, let's see what the scheme is and how it can be done in Jainam Software. Okay, like for example, let me first search for a customer here. Now here, I'm going to provide this customer a loan. Okay. Now, as you know, this is going to be a property loan. So you'll have to just fill in the property details here, all the registration details, dealer details and amount. See, after filling all these things, your amount comes up to 10 lakh. Okay, 10 lakhs. 0% rate of interest for 60 months. So what this means is that the builder or the construction company wants to sell a flat of 10 lakh and he or she will be collecting that amount from the customer in 60 months with zero interest. In this case, every installment is divided equally. Okay, so let's go ahead. Here disbursement can be done through cash or bank. And disburse date is 5th April. Installment first date is also going to be the same. If you have any fees or charges, that can be added in this section. Okay, I can even add the co-applicant file number here and click on add. Now I'm just going to go here, calculate and save this. You'll see loan 2 is saved successfully, which means loan number 1 is already created in my system. So I'm going to just click search here loan number 2. Now you can see here, this is the customer summary, this is the loan summary, and now if you go down, you will be able to see the installment tracker here, where you can see that all the 60 installments are created and all the installments are equally divided. Now the collection part. Here there is auto collect facility in Jainam Software, where automatically amount gets debited from the customer's bank and it is credited into the financers or the builder's bank. So in this case, you set a auto debit link from Jainam Software. Once this link is set, the customer receives this link as a SMS message on his mobile, and then he or she registers for NASH using that link. Once the customer's bank approves this, then automatically the money starts getting transferred from the customer's bank to the financer's bank or the builder's bank automatically. So there is no need to do anything. Okay, this is the facility of auto debit that is provided by Jainam Software. And once the transaction is done, okay, that transaction automatically reflects in Jainam Software. So in this transaction section, you will be able to see the transactions whatever are happening through auto debit. Also, in status report, there is due list. In due list, you will be able to see all the dues as on date. Okay, as on date. So as on 5th April. If you want to see any past dues, there is a date range provided here. So you can refresh on past date. And if you want to see any future, okay, your future collection, if you want to see how much collection you will be making, okay, so in that case you can put a future date here and also you can refresh this. So this is due list. Also we have the outstanding list, where you can see as on date what is your outstanding amount. Okay, so you will be able to see the outstanding amount also. There is all party list. In all parties list, you will be able to see all the active loans that you have given through the system. Okay. Now we also have collection report, where you will be able to see daily collection. Okay. What is your daily collection and collection by staff. That is, on a particular date, if you refresh, you will be able to see what collection your staff has done on that particular date. So friends, this way we have a lot of features in Jainam Software. And as you saw, builders or the construction companies can use this platform to manage many housing schemes. They can provide zero interest schemes so that customers can utilize these schemes and take advantage of it. So friends, we are coming up with lots of new features in JNM software. So please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.